Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham launches comic stylized environmental studies school textbook for class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India. MPCC warns conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks must not impede interest of Manipur at any cost. And Ukal holds Mera Mipham on Umanglai Harauba titular king. Laisemba Sanajaba appeals to not use loudspeakers during Lai Harauba. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithangwa Monica with the latest news updates. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham launched comic stylized environmental studies school textbooks for class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India today. Officials of Education S, SEERT, BOSM and ZTO attended the launching event organized by Samagra Siksha Manipur at its office conference hall in Babupara. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Radhesham asserted that the comic stylized textbooks introduced on a trial basis will benefit children in learning their lessons in an easy and interesting manner. He maintained that if the trial proves successful, comic stylized textbooks for other subjects will also be introduced. Speaking on the occasion, Education S Director T.H. Kiran Kumar stated that the comic stylized environmental studies textbooks will be introduced in some selected schools for the trial. He added that examinations will be conducted before and after introducing the textbooks to assess its outcome.
Level we want impact of the textbook. Comics ikramay tawgen na maro adu paidring ida moina hiram level duga same content same standard pura amuk madu comic tu tamhala yeng maka na improvement laga di si impact si phai hai ga dam na madu idot tang honest way na sincere way na tawiro oza oiriba education department le official le koise we have to learn to do the same thing in a different way.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has reiterated its firm stance against any threat to Manipur and its people by the culmination of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks between Indian government and the NSCNIM. The party has warned that both centre and state governments will be held responsible for any untoward incidents that may occur against any content of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement that harms Manipur. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, former Deputy Chief Minister cum MPCC President Gaikhangam stated that the people of the state are left in apprehension due to the recent remarks of Indo-Naga peace talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who stated that the peace talks will be finalized by the end of this month. He drew the attention of the 60 state MLAs to be brave enough to resign from their post if Manipur is ever affected with the conclusion. Gaikhangam assured that MPCC members will definitely attend the all political party meeting to discuss on the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks called by Chief Minister Nongthongba Biren.
BJP na hairi BJP ki wagangloi mayam na including Honorable Chief Minister Shri Biren masamang na hairi ba framework agreements implement to bakanda Manipur ta sokningai lete mi pai ningai lete Citizenship Amendment Bill so akwai sokningai lete ado tongan ba clause ma hapaga protective provision ma hapkani haibsi hairi adubu hojikti agreement adugi manungi oiba potlam dudi khoi uba phangdri adubu apprehension yam sound laire implement to bakanda Manipur ma Manipuri gi interest sokpa ya bagi elements laire haibsi singneba se poi se khon ngangai pa saw kan lauri ba siti atei nate Manipur praja gi interest ta daitwa lei ba hita haja batare political party ama oina khoi ngangpham thokpa ithauda pangthok to leri.
Taking part in the press meet, former Chief Minister cum CLP leader Okram Ibobi assured that Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee continues to stand firm against any threat to Manipur with the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. He reiterated that conclusion of the peace talk is welcomed only if it assures peace, but never at the cost of the interest and integrity of Manipur.
NSCNIM की problem or any other organization leriba mayam singsi issue singse masi once for all peacefully masi solve to ba haibasi koi mayam punamaki su apambani adu masi thabak oina on thorokpa matamda once for all permanent oiba lasting solution ama worknunaba honabada koi hanadagi su hauna manipur gi maruina manipur gi praja singna langtakna bise manipur gi apunba territory si masi disintegrate tawgadra jiwjiki nantana kona torokpa yaba haiba tare adugumba provision adugumba condition yauna implement torokadra haibaduni.
Umanglai Kanba Apun Balob Ukal held the annual Mera Mipham on Umanglai Harauba at Lambian Basang Lane in Palace Compound today. The event commenced with Pena Yaikai role performance. Speaking at the event, Titula King Lesemba Sanajaba urged the organizers of Umanglai Harauba to refrain from using loudspeakers during the festival to avoid disturbance to students and elderly persons. He also appealed to consult the experts of the various communities before dressing up in their traditional attires for Lai Harauba performances. Members of Ukal also felicitated the best Amaiba, Amaibi, Pena Asaiba and the Laibung, which hosted the best Lai Harauba performance this year. Ukal President Chanam Nabachandra, retired principal of Lalub, Professor N.G. Kangjia and many eminent persons took part in the event.
Lai Oisunu, Anabasanabi Oisunu, Natraka, Anaguma Magi, Ruba Tabonan Oisunu, Basia, Mapamatam, Sanadra, Adagi, Holaiba, Miro Cinema, Yanning Atraba, Adegu Masanavi, Lining Dogs, Marasa Terakani, Aduna Maduyo, Silva, Ashoiva, Niamna, Nundadi Lona, Yenadrava, Undo Pati Henwai, lighting, Adamasa Matam, Koiteva, Masia, Sindosi, Manandi, Kodilai, how by the set, Koji identity or Jerivasa, Koina Masimu, Yanning Atrava. Masih tu semua itu nak sounding apa, nak masih tu semua pelak terjadi. Kau jadi identiti ni hari tu, pada mama itu dia, nak kau jadi dari hari ni, lain waktu siapa mau macam lagi ni.
National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Health Services Manipur jointly observed Iodine Deficiency Disorder Day at Indian Medical Association Hall in Lumphel today. Speaking at the event, Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Raju, says that iodine deficiency disorders are easily preventable but difficult to cure. He stressed on the significance of consuming iodized salt to prevent various iodine deficiency syndrome like cretinism, goiter, mental deficiency, stunted growth, etc. He called upon people to join hands in realizing the vision of World Health Organization to ensure adequate supply of iodized salts to everyone by 2030. Dr. Raju also urged the people to store iodized salt in a tightly closed container in a cool place to preserve the iodine contained in the salt. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ranjan Yumnam, IAS, Additional Director, Medical Care, Dr. P. Shyam Sundar, Additional Director of Manpower Development Manipur, Dr. K.H. Sasi Kumar and IDSP Manipur Additional Director, Dr. L.R.K. attended the event.
Once Lina Singers here, talk ragati, Masicure Tongam, Adubu, Potrima Mangri, Yapirai Lina, prevent of Yap, Adu Lina never. Carino, the Iodized Souls are glory. Some at the one stalk ragati, Masi incurable disease never, Makalam never, disorder Makalam never. Aduna, Akoina, Hosi, Tumzi, Tumsari and Haida, Koina, Paxa Sabsiati, Ekoigi, Iodine, Yawudam, Iodized soul, Wagadamni, other money, Tamamatamda, Makum Sian Kumjangadabani, other Manin Sasaludabni, Aing Mama Pond Tangodamni, sunlight exposed to Bayade, Aduga, Mine aside, Takumatam Sidazu, Yakoigi, Loram Daida, Takadaba Tunzi.
Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai inaugurated a multi-broker prepaid trading center at Gambhir Singh Shopping Arcade in Imphal today. Financial Awareness Training Center of the State Online Share Trading Academy also held its 11th Foundation Day celebration on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA A.K. Mirabai urged the intellectuals youth of the state to stand on their own feet instead of being over-dependent on their parents. Director of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University, Professor C.H. Ibohul also graced the event.
ngasi ki prithvi ki chakhat lamjen da chalba me Japan na China na kari da magda ngasi lamjen da yawe bano makoi de lei balam da lei bana haro sing ai ku people sing se khong lei bak ta da cha padong na taw honna ba da makoi mi ma ga yeng na te ba ado ekoi gi lam nam sida di lai lai su haira bana haro sing china ne sa gi ipak ta taraga tauraga ngasi di ma ki ba gi sang se ado ki mati wang khala e ba Masih kaya sing ngasih kansi haba taragati akoi kuding magche isana isabu hona jaba isana isabu lepcha bangam nabi wakalona se akoi yamna darka oireba.
5-day training of key resource persons in effective teaching learning in English at higher secondary level for the state of Manipur kicked off at SCERT office in Lamphale today. Northeast Regional Institute of Educational, National Council of Educational Research and Training UMIAM Shillong organized the event. Speaking at the event, Joint Director of SCERT Jim G. Thinguzam said that the training program will equip the teachers with new techniques and methods for effective teaching. Program Coordinator of NERIE cum Associate Professor of English Satarupa Palit, Dr. Sujit Ray of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Adarsya Mahavidyalaya, Korengjang, Assam, and Senior Finance Officer of SCERT, Natali Ningthau Khonjam, and other 40 higher secondary school teachers took part in the event.
This 5 days program is going to cover a lot of teaching methods. Maybe reading, maybe writing, maybe talking skill, whatever the methods of the English requires. Madam, this 5 days is going to cover a lot. And Madam Palit has done the wonderful job of bringing a lot of, renowned resource persons. And in these 5 days, the resource persons are going to communicate with the trainees and let them know the technique of teaching, how to teach, how to write, how to recite a poem. All these teaching techniques will be covered within this 5 days program.
Indefinite Bunch, jointly called by United Tribals People Organization UTPO and Old Tribal Sandstone Labour Association Moray on Imphal Palel Road has greatly affected Indo-Myanmar trade. No vehicle passed through Khudingthabi area of Imphal Moray Road due to the indefinite ban. Police team including Moray Additional SP LO KH Robinson, Moray Police OC Letko Hau Vaipai, CDO Inspector Bikram are keeping a strict visual to avoid any untoward incidents. UTPO General Secretary M. Tantanga stated that the ban will go on until their demands are fulfilled by the government. He assured that the ban will be relaxed for religious activities, emergency and essential services. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on polling for assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. Polling has begun for assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana. Voting, which began at 7 a.m., will end at 6 in the evening. In Maharashtra, over 12% voting was reported till noon. In Mumbai, 7 to 9% polling was recorded in the first 2 hours of voting, which began at 7 a.m. for 288 assembly seats in Maharashtra. Despite light showers, senior citizens and fitness enthusiasts as well as first-time voters were seen outside polling stations early in the morning in Mumbai. In Haryana, 1,169 candidates, including 104 women, are in the fray for 90 assembly seats. The main parties in the fray are ruling BJP, Congress and Indian National Lok Dal. Other parties contesting the polls include Janayak Janata Party, Aam Aadmi Party and Bahujan Samaj Party. Both BJP and the Congress are contesting all 90 seats, while Indian National Lok Dal has fielded its candidates at 81 seats in alliance with Shiromani Akali Dal. Nearly 1.83 crore voters are eligible to exercise their franchise in Haryana. Out of them, around 99 lakh are men and 85 lakh are women. More than 75,000 security personnel have been deployed in the state to ensure free, fair and peaceful polling. Counting of votes in both the states will be taken up on October 24. A state-level seminar on Azad Hind government and Indian freedom was held on the last day of Platinum Jubilee observance of Azad Hind government today. All India Forward Bloc Manipur State Committee organized the event at Manipur Press Club. Teachers of various colleges affiliated to Manipur University attended the event. They stressed on Subhash Chandra Bose's roles and contributions in the Indian freedom struggle and India's independence.
अकोई महात्मा गांधी अमसुंग आजाद हिंद गवर्नमेंट की सुभाष चंद्र बोस अमदि अतुप लुचिंग मयामना लौकीबा इंडिया की निंगतम लौकी वाखलोन मकोई कंट्रीब्यूशन अकोई नगसी काउंट तब चंगी लोइना लोइना मकोइना पामजरबिगा महात्मा गांधी ना मंगमिबा नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र मंगिबा मंग अदुकी सरकार प्रो पीपल वेबा डाउन ट्रोडल पीपल सिकी फानाबगी खनबा सरकार अदु मसी वेरिबा सरकार सिना ओना तैनाबा मद चटिबा से करेक्शन तौबदा इंडियन हिस्ट्री छात्र सिंह नारोन सिंह हौरेबे नारोन सिंह शास्त्र इंडियन हिस्ट्री खंग चंगी लोइना लोइना आजाद हिंद गवर्नमेंट अमसुंग नेताजी कंट्रीब्यूशन से अकोई टेक्स्ट बुक तमदना स्टोरी दा हापतना मसी इनौ नौना हाईलाइट तौबा चंगी.
Thoubal District Police has felicitated those who bag second best police station, third best police station and best police officer award in the 128th Racing Day of Manipur Police on October 19. Adhaksha of Thoubal District Hasina Begum, SP Thoubal Dr. S. Bomcha, Additional SP Law and Order T.H. Disorchid, Additional SP Operations Sachidananda Soibam and leaders of various organizations in Lilong attended the event held at Lilong Police Station last evening. Speaking on the occasion, SP Thoubal Dr. S. Bomcha stated that positive changes are taking place in Lilong, a place once infamous for various illegal activities. He credited the achievement of Lilong Police Station and Thoubal Police Station to the residents.
I think I have given on the 90 higher 99% cooperation pinning bangakane longi sige drug against 1% mu phadra bane hojikti aduna hojikti chen dana drug yon bajing je khanga bane ngamdre hojik mobile de yon bugumba adugumba koi tasen hai kanda police ki team je ahum thoe aduna sin nei khairakpoda yamchina handagre aina khangbadadi hojik miya akhoi Thoubal district na utle madudi akhoi Thoubal asi tasengna matam dugi akhoi na soiram bagi akhoi da cooperation pidabani.
Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham launches comic stylized educational environmental studies school textbook for class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India. MPCC warns conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks must not impede interest of Manipur at any cost. And Ukal holds Mera Mipham on Umang Lai Harauba. Titular King Leksemba Sanajauba appeals to not use loudspeakers during Lai Harauba.